Hi guys, it's me, Tiffany of TipStitched, and in this video I'm going to share with you two of the latest spring patterns from McCall's 2020 spring release. I am one of the members of Atlanta Sewing Style that has collaborated with McCall's Patterns as well as Fabric.com to bring you some of the hottest spring looks in DIY. I selected McCall's 8083 as well as McCall's 8084 to sew and show to you. I also have two gorgeous pieces of fabric behind me that are from Fabric.com. So let me tell you a little bit more about both of these patterns and these fabrics. McCall's 8083 is a nice staple spring dress. I also love that they offered a bunch of different options here in this pattern. You can see in view A, which the model was wearing, you have a button front with a gathered skirt with a short ruffle sleeve. I love the idea of raglan sleeves. I love the idea of the V-neck. B is very similar but gives you the bishop sleeves options with cuffs, which I think would look very classy, and a little bit longer skirt. And then view C is the one that I will be sewing, and it has the more dramatic flutter sleeve with a belt as well as the longer midi length skirt. And this pattern calls for either crepe de challis, or charmeuse. And I opted for something that didn't really fit into any of these categories, which is this linen look fabric from Fabric.com. I really love the graphic look of the black and white on the mustard. I like the fact that it's a floral pattern but still very abstract. I think that this is a very bright, fun color that works for spring. This actually doesn't have any linen in it, but it tries to simulate the texture of a linen slub sort of print here. And hopefully when this is all sewn up, it will be gorgeous. I love the drape, and I think it's going to be perfect for those flutter sleeves and that midi length skirt. McCall's 8084 is a really cute, flirty spring dress. You can see that it has, all the views have this cute tie front. You have 3 different sleeve options. You can even either go with the shorter sleeve with the flounce. You can go with the elastic hem in the sleeve, as you see on the model here in view B, or you can just go with a longer dolman sleeve in view C. You also have 3 skirt lengths. You have the shorter length with the ruffle, and then a longer length. I'm actually going to combine 2 of these, and I'm going to do the bodice of view C with the simple dolman sleeve with the shorter skirt of view A, because I just feel like that's going to look a little bit more springy. And I will be using this satin crepe from Fabric.com. You can see on the pattern here that it suggests crepes, challis, stable knits, or cotton blends. And this is a satin crepe that I will be using. I will link to it in the description box. And this is a very muted, slaty, blue, greenish kind of color with this large scale print of like palm leaves. I think it's going to be really cute and flirty for this dress.